Let's open it.
Let's open everything. We did some work on the Supra. We removed the front bumper and the front, what's that?
Fenders.
The front fenders. And now we're gonna open some of the parts we got. So this is the Bomex body kit, just like in the movie. The only difference is that it didn't come from Bomex because I don't think they make it anymore, but I was able to find a company that did them. Bringing them over was quite a pain because they couldn't ship it to Canada. So I had to ship them to France and ask a family member that was flying to Canada to basically put them in their luggage. So that was a lot of fun.
Slightly oversized.
Slightly oversized. By the way, Air France, you rocks. Let's open it. Let's see what we have. I don't know why there is a horn on that side.
A what?
Well, a horn shape. The goal is not to break anything.
Too late.
Too late. What the hell? I think we have, yeah, it's both of the side skirts stacked.
I don't even know how to open this.
I don't
There's
know.
so much going on.
I'm just cutting through it. I have no idea. Oof. Oof. Okay, big crack. So there is a huge slice at the bottom of this one. You see, it almost broke. Because it went into the other one. So that is the left. So let's take, oh my God.
Where do you want this?
Behind you.
Okay.
For now. So I'm gonna have to fix some of that. And then we have this one, which is
Not broken?
not as broken.
Amazing.
And
I think it shouldn't be too bad to fix though. Or broken a little right there.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do some fix, and it's cracked here.
A little. So not quite mint condition, but
Very not mint condition. Very, very displeased. Like the shipping was, and it's not straight at all.
no.
Like not, what the hell? It curves in ways that I've never seen something curve before. Let's put it down. Okay. Okay.
Well,
That was.
interesting. Stunning.
So we're missing the front bumper and the rear piece. So we should find more than one part in there. We're gonna have to fix this, which means I'm gonna have to learn how to fix. Is it fiberglass?
It looks, yeah, it looks like, which I think is easier to fix.
I have no idea.
We'll find out.
Do you know?
I think it might be fixable with Bondo.
Or more fiberglass.
Bondo is gonna be like duct tape. I'm gonna duct tape.
I think you can fix it with fiberglass though. I think you can get like a kit. I don't know.
I know someone that will be able to tell us, then we can just fix it. To give you a scale of things, there is $800 worth of parts here. The quote for shipping was around $1,200 when I ordered. By the time it happened, because of COVID, shipping was $7,000.
It's a good price for parts. How's your side going?
I'm removing the rope.
Yeah, still?
Yes. I was clean when we started and I'm filthy now. How come you're still clean?
Some people shower.
I'm scared that nothing's gonna fit.
I mean, this one's gonna be a little iffy based on the angles, but I'm sure that's fixable, maybe.
We have shelves, so that's the rear. That's for the rear. If you look at the movie, you're gonna see that at the rear the car has fins. Those are the fins that go at the back, so this one would be the rear left, and it would go something like that.
One small fix right here.
Nothing duct tape won't fix.
Duct tape and paint.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Lift it. Can you take everything off? So what does that look like? Does that look like a bumper?
No.
No?
No.
Go have a look from over there. Yeah? Not too bad?
Yeah?
Okay, come give me a hand. We're gonna see if it even remotely goes on the car. Oh my god, that's heavy. What?
This? Heavy?
No, it's just, oh my god. So what, the concept? With that seat on top? Oh my god, I have...
Yes, looks great. Amazing.
We're gonna have to do some fitting.
Yep.
Like a lot of fitting. I'm not even close to anything. Okay, those are the holes for that right here. And you have the same on
Well,
your
there's
side.
also like just these.
We're gonna have to...
It'll be a process. It'll be
Yeah.
a process.
Yeah, okay. Theory.
I think it's just this piece right here. Like the metal there doesn't really reach because of it.
So basically that should sit there.
Yeah. But then,
And then...
because this part, look right here, you might have to trim this almost
Oh, we
here.
can trim this.
No,
Why not? It's
that's
like,
important.
That's a metal thingy.
Yeah.
I can put the grinder to it.
Okay. Okay.
Safety first.
Yes, okay.
But yeah.
But yeah, see what I mean? Like it lines up here, but then it doesn't get the right angle because it hits that. And I think if
Yeah.
it did, it could kind of come up to where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, because it needs to be somewhat...
Yeah, like this,
Yeah.
but farther back, but because that piece is there.
Okay.
It's just you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that means we need to do some fitting. There's nothing wrong with that.
No,
I mean, I have a pry bar.
I have a hammer. Good.
Business.
Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.